What's good? What's good? Good morning. Good morning. Hope everybody is doing well. Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to be going over our friend Bitcoin. There's a couple patterns at play here. We're sitting at 33,245. We're down about 1.62% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 623 billion and the 24-hour volume is 22 billion. So let's hop into it, guys. If you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. All right, guys, so let's hop into it. So we're going to start here on the weekly, and I wanted to show you guys the weekly RSI. I was watching a channel called The Moon. The man's name is Carl. Definitely go check out his channel. He loves to say exactly as I predicted. So we can see here on the RSI, we're coming down to a pretty major level of support. You can see we had support right here in 2019. We had support here in 2018. We had some resistance here in 2015, as well as support 2014, and a little bit of support and resistance in 2012. So if you do see us start to bounce off this level of support, that could be the reversal in the trend that we've all been waiting for. And then if we do break underneath it, that may be a bigger tick that we're going to head into a bear market here. Although there are many signals that we aren't going into a bear market. We haven't had a blow off top. We're still holding the 55 EMA. Just looks like we're trying to shake out the weak hands. All right, guys, you can see we are still holding that support here of the 55 EMA. So let's hop into the 1 hour chart. So guys, we had a couple of patterns here. We had our ascending channel that I said wait for a breakout to see if we break above or we break below. And we did break down out of this channel here. Now that was a nice little short of almost about 3%. If you're trading with leverage, could be 15-30% or more. And if you'd like to learn to trade with leverage, please check out my tutorial, which will be linked at the end of the video, as well as in the description. Now, there was a double bottom pattern here, and I posted it in the Discord because we had this little bit of a breakout, but it was a fake out here. So let's see where I posted it in the Discord chart channel. So I said here, double bottom breakout, BTC, trend carefully. We're just starting to break out, and then I said fake out because we had a little bit of a fake out here where you came up. That's why it's so important to set your stop loss. If you were to enter a trade right here and it starts to roll over, your stop loss will kick in and you'll save a lot of your equity that you went into the trade with. So you can see we had a bit of a fake out, we rolled over, and we're seeing that continuation here to the downside. Now we do have a strong level of support down here at about 32K that I talked about in our last video, right about 32,505. Now there's a larger pattern I wanted to make you guys aware of here, and it's a descending triangle, as you can see here. Now a descending triangle is a bearish pattern, so your breakdown target, let's move this up a little bit, would bring you down to about 28K. So if you do see us start to come down and break this level of support here and backtest it as resistance, that could be a great short opportunity down to 28K. There could be some support along the way, of course, but it's about a 12% short for Bitcoin here. And then if we were to break out to the upside, if we find support, we break out, we break the key level of resistance, then your breakout target here to the upside, depending on where you break out, is about 37,855. So keep an eye on that pattern as well. We are in a downtrend. It is a bearish pattern, so of course the bearish outcome is more likely. So keep an eye on that pattern and wait for your breakout. If we do break down, if we see that breakdown to 28K, we'll be staying in our falling wedge here where we would come down. Let me take this out. Sometimes I've been doodling before I make these videos here, where you would come down and possibly you would see that wick. As you can see, your wicks came down here to 28K, where you would see a wick that would bring you down to 28K, and hopefully you would see that bounce and break out of our falling wedge, as it is a bullish reversal pattern, and head up towards that 41K. Now if we quickly look at the DXY, you can see the DXY is breaking out of a double bottom. We do have this large green wick here, but on the 4-hour chart we have this double bottom. We're seeing a little bit of a breakout. So if the DXY does head up to its breakout target, that's when you'll see Bitcoin continue to see some downtrend here at about 92,525. at about 92,545. As the DXY rises, the price of Bitcoin goes down, and when the DXY is going down, the price of Bitcoin goes up. So we are seeing this double bottom, guys. So if we see the DXY start to trend towards that 92,545, you will see Bitcoin continue in this downtrend here. And that's when you would see it fall out of this descending triangle here and head down to about 28,477 is the technical target. There is support along the way right here around 30K as well was a major level of support for Bitcoin. So keep an eye on that pattern, guys. Just something I wanted to make you guys aware of. Very tradable pattern here. So always remember to set your stop limits, guys, especially when you're going long in a downtrend, because there can be many fake outs. As you can see here, we broke out of our double bottom and then we rolled right over. So if you set your stop limit, I had entered a little bit of a long here to see if we would make it up to that price target, but I set my stop limit at 33,000, so it already kicked in. So I mitigate my losses, which is so important with trading. So that's it for Bitcoin. Keep an eye on that descending triangle here and just wait for your breakout. If you see a breakout to the downside, go short. You see us break this level of resistance, go long. All right, guys, that's it for Bitcoin. Maybe we'll give those future price targets. You know we love to do that. If this is our true bottom, we can use our Fibonacci here and give some future price targets. Swing low, swing high, swing low. We'll just do the 1.618 today, which is up at about 100K. All right, guys. So watch this level of support for the RSI. It could be the bounce we've been waiting for. And then if we do break it and we start back testing as resistance, you can see here when we come underneath the RSI, that was our Corona dump. And when we were down here underneath the RSI, we were in a bear market. So if we start to come underneath the RSI, would not be a good signal. Could be a sign that we may enter a bear market. However, I'm still very bullish on Bitcoin. This is not a blow off top. We are holding the 55. And if we do bounce off that level of support on the RSI, it could be a beautiful sign. We're going to see that continuation back to the upside. All right, guys. So that's it for this one. I hope you got some value. Starting to break out a little bit. Oh boy. If you got some value, make sure to smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. You can check out the Discord, Patreon link in the bio, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.